Some people walk into a room and own it. Opportunities, promotions, respect, it just comes. Most people, they stay stuck, wondering why they can't catch a break. The difference isn't luck, it's mindset. Today, you'll learn 5 mindset shifts that make people unstoppable. The strategies that turn ordinary Americans into winners, no matter their background. Shift 1, from victim to owner. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop saying, life isn't fair. Unstoppable people take full ownership of their life every single day. Missed a promotion? Instead of whining, ask, what can I do differently next time? Ownership shifts your focus from complaining to creating results. Shift 2, from comfort to growth. Growth never happens in comfort. If you're staying in the same routine, the same mindset, the same friends, nothing will change. Take that extra project, speak up in meetings, learn a new skill, even if it scares you. Unstoppable people seek challenges. Comfort is a trap. Growth is the escape. Shift 3, from fear to curiosity. Fear kills action. Curiosity creates opportunity. Nervous about networking? Instead of imagining rejection, ask, what can I learn from this person? Curiosity flips the script. Every obstacle becomes a lesson. Every mistake a chance to get better. Shift 4, from short-term to long-term thinking. Most people chase instant gratification. Unstoppable people play the long game. Skip the daily scroll binge. Invest 30 minutes in learning a skill. Save instead of spending. The payoff isn't today. It's months and years from now. Long-term thinking trains your brain to ignore distractions and stay disciplined. Shift 5, from I try to I do. Stop saying, I'll try. Start saying, I do. Want to get fit? Don't just plan. Show up to the gym today. Want that promotion? Don't just hope. Make the call, pitch the idea, take the steps. Unstoppable people act consistently, regardless of motivation. These 5 shifts, ownership, growth, curiosity, long-term thinking, and action, aren't just ideas. They're the way unstoppable people think, behave, and win. Adopt them, practice them daily, and watch your life change. If you want more strategies to master your mindset, dominate opportunities, and become unstoppable, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we break down the exact mental habits that successful Americans use. Don't miss out.